Here we are today, YouTube. This is part 4 of the Verizon iPhone 6s Plus that we did the iCloud removal on. In which, this is the same Imei, in which, we're going to go ahead and go back to Swappa. Run the check again this time, because I guess the customer definitely wanted to keep their device. Voila. Cleaning cleared, ready for use. Now let's go back to page plus login system. Let's revalidate. Let's go ahead and paste that in. The same IMEI. Which, we wanted to wait. We wanted to wait a little bit so that it showed fully cleared on Swappa by the time we got the results in. Which, we did actually clear this device off very fast for them. And which, as you can see, is definitely available for use now. At first, in the other videos, it said fraud frozen, reported, and unpaid. So we had to remove 2 blocks. So definitely 100% this device is fully iCloud removed and IMEI repaired. Thank you for watching. Tune in and subscribe.